Welcome back guys, and in WhatsApp there is one feature, new feature has come, means if you are getting calls from unknown callers, then that you can do something with that calls. What you will do, I am going to discuss in this video. If you like this video, please consider to subscribe this channel. So if you want to silence calls from unknown callers, what you need to do, go to the setting, then go to the notifications, go back, not notifications, sorry, go back and then go to the privacy and then go below, and here calls from unknown numbers will be silenced. They will still be shown in the call tabs in your notifications. Means you can, if it is turned on, then unknown callers call will be silenced, but it will be shown here in the call tabs and in the notification. So this is what, if you want to silence this, if you do not want to receive calls from any unknown number, just tap it here, go to setting, go to privacy, go below calls and just turn it on. This is all what I wanted to tell you in this video. If you like this video, please consider to subscribe this channel.